What is the smallest unit of matter? A. Atom. Which of the following is a greenhouse gas? C. Carbon dioxide. What type of energy does the sun primarily produce? C. Solar energy. What is the Earth's primary source of energy? C. Sun. Which organ in the human body produces insulin? B. Pancreas. What is the chemical symbol for water? C. H2O. Which planet is known as the red planet? B. Mars. What is the process by which plants make their own food called? A. Photosynthesis. What is the unit of measurement for energy? C. Joule. Which of the following is a renewable energy source? C. Solar power.